It's like a pump you up love song, all the adrenaline. We could take our heart rate down and come back to maybe the best love song ever written. So you're just gonna find your little space here where you're not worried about the workout. You're just worried about karaokeing your heart out. We're gonna take it right to left. Take your stance wide, watch our feet. Ho! Stay right here. If you know it, you're gonna know when that switches. You're gonna keep that right heel up. Pulse. Booty pop right to left. 2 slow circles. Keep this heel lifted. 4 booty pops. Speed that circle up. Do it again. Same exact thing. Take it back. Goddess, lunge, curtsy together. Goddess, lunge. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Time carries a feeling that's strong. And I know you're never gonna shake me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Set it up, step out. Give your legs a little shake. We're going back down. Up. Here we go. Left heel up. Pop. Pop. Circle. Slow. My legs are on fire. Speed that up. Sing with us. Lip sync with us. Sing your heart out. We're going to take it back. Hup. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. If you get mixed up in that, it's okay. It doesn't matter. The worst thing that's going to happen is you're going to step back and then open, right? Take it out. We're going back down. Here we go. Pulse. When your days and your nights get a little bit colder. All you're doing is swing and goddess pose. We're going to take it right to left. Circle it. Hop. Stay here. Maybe add a little groove. Never. No, no. We're going back into that goddess. Stay low. Heels. Right, left, right, left. Get low. Woo! Shake those legs out. That's the only way to get through a hard workout, is to make it fun.